Hey guys, I'm here at Chef Chat, and this is their menu right here, and I'm gonna show you guys their food. They have their sauce. They don't have much. That one there is gone. They have some string beans, beef. They have some chicken, pancit, and fried rice. They have some drinks here, but they have some 5 spring rolls for $6.50, and then they have seasonings right here. They have all kinds of drinks. Yeah, okay, but that's their prices. I think today I'm going to get some fried rice. I'm going to get some veggies and then the noodles. And these are their prices. Alright guys, so I got me the beef, the string beans, some noodles, and some fried rice. And then, yeah, I did not want to pay the drink, so I got me my lemonade, and there's everybody there at the casino. And oh, by the way, I did not have to pay for this food. It was free because I have this right here. I have this right here, and I got like $18. So these food right here are all free today. Yay!